Let's go to lead number 44. Why wildcard matching? So this question is given as a string S and a string P. S is the original string, input string, and P is a pattern. And in P, it may have some character like a question mark and a star. It says that question mark matches any single character, and a star matches any sequence of character, include the empty sequence. So that means question mark can match any one character, and a star can match any characters from 0 to some kind of number. So you can ask with P the matching matches a string S. Let's look at an example. For example, this apparently P does not match it because they are not the same string and no white card in it. The P second question, P star to match anything. So it will return true. And then the third question, this question mark can use one character, but the second one, A does not match B, so return false. So what we do is that we convert this to array. Let's put array. And we have char P array equals P to array. What we're thinking about is that we iterate for example, we say this is the length M, this is length N, right? So we are trying to see for the length M. We know if for dp, we can use a character dp ij, means if the i's from 0 to index I, whether of S array, whether it matches from 0 to index j. We are at actual length before this, but we just explain it is just trying to match. So if the character at I and j, character j is not a question mark, okay, it's just a regular or not a star, it's just a regular character, then we need to make sure if the char I equals char j equals, if this one equals, and we can use dp I minus 1 j minus 1, and this character equals, or this is a question mark, right? Then we can put have the dp ij will be the same as the dp I minus 1 j minus 1, right? If this is true, and this one equals this, and all this is a question mark, then dp ij is true. The hard part is that the j's character is a star, right? So if j's character is a star, that means if we can have dp I j minus 1 matches dp ij, right? Then if we have a star, right? If this is true, then we add one more extra step character in S array. It will match as well, right? Or if we have dp I minus 1 j, right? I said this is DPI minus one matches J. Then we add one more characters. Then we'll have DPI J equals true, right? And if we have DP I J minus one, right? So that means this one matches everything not beside this star sign, right? So we use this star character as an empty string, right? So we'll have dp ij equals dp if dp I minus one j equals true, and or dp I j minus one equals true, right? And this is j is a star, then this dp ij equals to true, right? So for this kind of conditions, then we can write the transitions functions. So let's say, let's have int m equals s array dot length, and n equals p array dot length. We're going to have int dp plus new int m plus one n plus, right? So dp I j, let's use a boolean, means whether it is match or not. dp ij means to index I minus one in s, j minus one in p, right? With matches or not. So this is the physical meaning. So we know if so we need to write the transition function. If p j is a character, right? Or p is equals to for example is right, and we'll have more one index. If this one equals, then and dp I minus one j minus one equals true. Then we can have the dp I j equals true, right? Or if p j minus one is equals a star, right? Equals a question mark. Then and this one, we can also get dpij equals true. And the thing is that if this is a star sign, and we have dp I minus one j or dp I j minus one, right? Then we also can have dpij equals true. So this will be the transition function, right? So we can write this. And for the initial condition, right? So let's talk about the initial condition. Let's say dp 0 0 equals true, right? This is the reason we add one more extra index here. And also, we'll say because the star matches empty string, so we'll say for dp 0 stars, any kind of length of star, it will return true, right? But if there is any character between this, then it will return false. So what we can write is that for int I equals 1, I smaller than n plus 1, I plus pp, let's use j, second index use j, pp 0 j equals pp pp 0 j minus 1 and d array j minus 1 equals star sign, right? And then we write this kind of follow, right? What we need is that for int I equals 1, I smaller than n plus 1, I plus plus for int j equals 1 is smaller than n plus 1, j plus plus. So we'll have these two transition function. If what we copy this one, if the character are the same, alright, if is in P array, P array, S array, or P array, this kind of character is question mark. Then we'll have pp I j equal to true, right? And also if we have a P array to minus 1. This is a star, sorry. Star, right? If this is a star, equals a star sign. And pp I minus 1 j or bp I j minus. We'll also have bp I j equals to these just two conditions. Of course, you can write a long one to have this one to be one condition, right? Then we just return bp m and the time complexity will n multiplied by n, and the space complexity is also n multiplied by n.